Hey friends, welcome back to yet another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this elegant bracelet featuring sparkling green cuboid crystals and golden seed beads. It's a simple yet stunning design that adds a touch of class to any outfit, perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. These are 4 cuboid crystals. I have used them in a few of my projects, and a lot of you have been asking where to get them. Unfortunately, they are not available anywhere right now. I actually got them as a gift from Budget Beads, but that store has since closed. But don't worry, you can totally use other beads instead. They look just as beautiful. And to match those sparkling green crystals, I have taken these 11 seed beads in gold color. These are Toho seed beads. Take a clasp of your choice. And I'm using 0.20 mm fishing line and a size 12 needle. So grab your material, relax your minds, and let's get started. I'm starting with 6 crystals. Tie a couple of knots to form a circle. Now go through one crystal, pick one 11 and go through the next crystal. Go on adding one 11 after each crystal. And this is the sixth seed bead. Go through one crystal and the next seed bead. We have added a total of 6 seed beads. Trim the tail. And now I have taken 3 seed bead, the lobster clasp and 3 seed bead, and go through this one seed bead once again. Go through this loop once again. And now I will be going to the other side, exactly opposite to where I have added the clasp. So now go through the crystal and the seed beads. And this is the point where I have to be. I have taken 5 seed beads and go through this one seed bead. Go through this circle once again. And now I will turn around because according to the clasp, this is the right side. Pick one seed bead and go through the topmost seed bead like this. And once again I have taken 6 crystals. Go through this one seed bead, go through the next crystal, and add one seed bead in between the crystals. And now after going through this crystal, skip this seed bead and go through the next crystal. Again go through the crystal and the seed beads and exit from the opposite side of the flower. Now again make the flower with 5 seed bead. So here we have a circle of 6, and now go through once again, add the center seed bead and then add the crystals, and in this way you have to go on. I have come so far, and you have to keep in mind that add the center seed bead on the right side. From the back side it looks like this, so always remember to turn the work to the right side when you are adding the center seed bead of the flower. And here I have almost finished, and now it's time to add the clasp. I'm adding the extension chain along with 6 seed beads. So you have to just go through this one seed bead, go through this loop once again to make it secure, and then tie a couple of knots, go through some beads, and then trim the tail. And that's it. Your beautiful beaded bracelet is complete. I hope you had fun making this elegant design with me. The green and gold combination gives such a rich, timeless look, but you can easily make it your own. What color would you choose? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below. So friends, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more jewelry making videos, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy crafting.